Mr. Richard Talkby, Honorable EMIC Education KAC, have today distributed aids and appliances for CWS and children during the ceremonial distribution program organized today at the Masa Club Difu by the Department of Education KAC, in which Honorable EM also graced the occasion as chief guest. While speaking on the occasion, Honorable EM have mentioned that as per Section 3 of RTE Act, no child, irrespective of the physical inability, should be derived from getting elementary education, as RTE Act provides for free and compulsory education to children from the age group of 6 to 14 years. So, in concurring with the responsibility KAC under the dynamic leadership of Honorable CM Dr. Tururam Ronghang is giving more impetus to provide inclusivity of education, since education will serve the purpose for emotional well-being of the child. Honorable EM also encouraged the parents to send the children to school, as government has provided all the necessary tools and infrastructure to cater the needs of CWS and children. Whereas the teachers of government school are also specially trained to deal with such children. Present on the occasion were Mrs. Nirupama Timungpi, Joint Secretary of KAC, Mr. Nayan Patak, ADMC SSA KAC, Mr. Sonsing Tokbi, STPEO, and BMCS among parents and beneficiary children.